guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching मुंबई ची मुस्कान एंड आज आप इस वीडियो में सोच रहे होंगे ये इतनी सारी लाइटिंग, जितनी सारी तैयारी, झुमके, टीका। वेल गाइज, आज नवरात्रि का पहला दिन है तो ये मैंने पूजा कर ली थी तो टीका लगाया है। एंड ऑल्सो व्हाई नॉट, टीका तो रोज़ ही लगना चाहिए। देन फेस्टिवल सीजन इज़ अराउंड यू गाइज। अमेज़ॉन की सेल चालू है, फ्लिपकार्ट की सेल चालू है। ऑल्सो Diwali is on its way. We all are planning our shopping and we also are planning our organization stuff or things to buy. We all are in the planning procedure and yeah, सेल तो जो Amazon की होगी दिवाली की और फ्लिपकार्ट पे भी होगी, राइट? बट you have the opportunity to save a little bit extra than the regular sale. But how? Well guys, in this video I am going to talk about Cash Karo, which is India's largest cashback and coupon site. So well, you might be, when you will be shopping online, you're gonna save extra. So every time you're going to spend, you're gonna save, because Cash Karo offers some massive cashback. Also, this cashback is, guys, you can transfer this cashback to your bank account. This is so exciting, am I right? So before we start the video, let me give you a small disclaimer that this video is not at all sponsored. Also, this video is nothing spammy. It is 100% genuine. And firstly, I have tried this app on my side first. I have used it. मैं आप लोगों को अपनी जो कैशबैक अभी तक जो मैंने अर्न किया है वो भी मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी इस वीडियो में, because I have shopped from Cash Karo and I have got the cashback on my hands. So I'm going to show you everything further in the video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, Cash Karo is India's largest cashback and coupon site. So this site is backed by Mr. Ratan Tata and it has 5 million registered users on their site. So this, I think this is probably the the most genuine cashback and coupon site in India. I personally feel that, because I have received my cashbacks and it was way good experience with them. Also guys, festival is around, you need to save extra, right? Festival na bhi ho to whenever we shop online, we want to save little bit extra, am I right? So the most interesting and exciting thing about using Cash Karo is that guys, ये cashback आप अपने बैंक अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. This is so good. No other app give you this opportunity to transfer your cashback to your bank account. I think I have not personally experienced any cashback that can be transferred to my bank account. You have to use those cashback for your payments or the recharges or anything, but you can use their payments on their site itself. But in case of Cash Karo, you can transfer this cashback into your bank account. Also guys, there is the major benefit of using Cash Karo, which is आप जब भी इस ऐप को रेफर करते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली को, you are going to earn every time they are going to shop. So I will be discussing everything about Cash Karo in brief in the further of this video, but let me tell you first that in this video I am going to discuss what is Cash Karo, how Cash Karo works, how they pay you, and what is their referral system. So without any further discussion and anything else, let's get started with the video. So let's first talk about what is Cash Karo. Cash Karo is a site which offers you very exciting cashback and coupons. They have some 1500 plus retailers associated with their app. So whether you talk about Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, Ajio, Myntra, Shiaway, Zivame, anything you guys, they have got you covered. Like I think probably कोई ब्रांड उनसे छूट गया होगा, अदरवाइज दे हैव इट ऑल. सो whenever you want to shop online, just type in the search box Cash Karo ऐप के सर्च बॉक्स में आप सर्च कर लीजिए whatever the brand you want to shop, you want to get the cashback from particular brand, you will surely get that brand. Alright guys, so now let's talk about how Cash Karo works. firstly you have to log in to Cashkaro. Now how you can log in? You can use your Facebook email ID or just use your Gmail and log in. Remember guys, if you do not sign in or log in to Cashkaro, you are not going to get the cashback even though you shop. So basically logging in and signing is very compulsory to get your cashback. Now as soon as you have logged in, you will see number of retailers. So अभी आपको क्या करना है कि so whatever the retailer you are looking for to shop, click on that particular retailer tab. Then you will see a orange color button which says activate cashback. So guys, probably sometimes some retailers for a limited time period do not offer you the cashback. So in case in kind of cashback, they sometimes offer you cash rewards. So basically अक्सर ये Amazon and Flipkart पे mostly होता है. They don't give you cashback, like they rarely give cashback. So mostly they give cash reward, but hey, that is also very useful. I will tell you further in this video how it is much useful. So this will be the scenario when you just sign in and log into Cashkaro. You just have to see a orange tab button which says activate cashback. So as soon as you click activate cashback button, you are taken to the retailer site. Also guys, down just beneath the orange button tab, you will see some small terms and conditions just for 3-4 lines. It will help you a lot. Just once read it, so your all doubts might be clear and you are just free and chill to shop. Also now when you are taken to the retailer site, now the twist here is that guys, when you have Cashkaro in your mobile app, right? Suppose you want to shop from Amazon and you also want the Cashkaro cashback. The twist here is guys, you have to not shop from the app itself. When Cashkaro takes you to the particular retailer site, website, सिर्फ वहीं से आप शॉप कर सकते हैं. अगर आप Cashkaro ओपन करते हैं, एक्टिवेट कैशबैक दबा देते हैं बटन एंड यू शॉप फ्रॉम द Amazon ऐप, इट won't work guys. Cashback will be not be credited to your account. So जब आप orange color का बटन आप प्रेस करते हैं, you have to shop from the website itself which Cashkaro redirects you. So please remember, do not shop from the particular app that you are looking for. You have to shop from the website which Cashkaro redirects you to. So remember that one little thing. Also the terms and conditions are given, so you can read it. The FAQ sections is available in the app. You can read it if you still have some doubts, and also you can comment down below. I will love to answer you all. Now when you are taken and redirected to the particular retailer website, shop as usual guys. Nothing to worry, nothing to apply any code or stuff like that. As soon as you just click the grab deal or activate cashback button, you are directly taken to the website. You have to shop as usual and your cashback is automatically credited. You do not have to even apply any coupon code. So now this cashback is automatically credited to your Cashkaro account. So here the thing is guys that there is a period when the cashback is confirmed in your account. So हम सबको पता है whenever we shop online, okay, there is a written और cancellation period that we have. So if जैसे आप online जब shop करते हैं, so we have that written policy period, right? 15 days written period we have. Suppose I have shopped a apparel, right? I did not it doesn't fit to me, I can return that. So we have that 15 days period. While that 15-day period is there, the Cashkaro का जो आपका कैशबैक होगा वो 15 डेज बाद ही कंफर्म स्टेटस में टर्न होगा. जब तक ये पीरियड ख़त्म नहीं होता है, द कैशबैक इज़ नॉट कन्फर्म्ड. इट इज़ इन टू योर अकाउंट बट इट इज़ इन द पेंडिंग स्टेटस. सो एज सुन एज द 15 days द रिटर्न पीरियड इज़ completed, your cashback is in your account. And also guys, just keep shopping, keep collecting the cashback. I think मेरा तो ये favorite thing है, and suddenly you see so much of cashback into your account. This is so exciting. Also one thing to remember guys, आपका अगर कैशबैक 250 और लेस है, you can't transfer that particular amount into your bank account. You have to exceed the amount of rupees 250 and then you can easily transfer this cashback into your bank account. Also, बात करें कैश रिवॉर्ड्स की, दैट इज़ टू थिंग्स दैट आई टोल्ड यू, दैट वन इज़ द कैशबैक एंड वन इज़ द रिवॉर्ड सेक्शन. वेल, यू गेट टू. So some retailers offers cashback, some retailers give you rewards. Well, this rewards जो आपके कैश करो अकाउंट में क्रेडिट होते रहते हैं, this rewards cannot be transferred into your bank account. Here the twist is that this rewards can only be redeem as the gift card, Amazon gift card or Flipkart gift card, right? So this is also quite exciting. अगर आपको किसी को बर्थडे में गिफ्ट करना है, फेस्टिवल है, दिवाली है, तो जैसे अब दिवाली है, आप वैसे भी हम अपने फैमिली को जो गिफ्ट्स देते हैं, so we can give this particular gift card to them and they can shop. This is exciting, you guys. Also, suppose अगर आपको जो गिफ्ट कार्ड परचेज करना है, राइट, यू हैव सम कैशबैक ऑल्सो एंड यू हैव सम रिवॉर्ड्स ऑल्सो. वे आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि सपोज मेरे पास में 250 रिवॉर्ड है एंड 250 कैशबैक है. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप रिवॉर्ड्स ही यूज़ कर सकते हैं गिफ्ट कार्ड के लिए. यू कैन क्लब दिस ₹250 कैशबैक इन टू योर रिवॉर्ड्स. वेर एज ये जो कैशबैक है वो रिवॉर्ड्स जो है आप उसको क्लब करके बैंक अकाउंट में नहीं ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते. बट in case of the gift card, when you are purchasing or redeeming, you can merge this cashback and rewards. That's it. So this is very exciting and I personally love it. And this is how Cash Karo works. I hope you guys are very clear. I tried my level best to clear your doubt, guys. Also, you guys might be wondering how Cash Karo pays you so much of cashback. Well, let me tell you this simple procedure, guys. Whenever you shop online from Cash Karo, okay, so that particular retailer from where you are shopping pays Cash Karo a commission for the sales they have made. Okay, so whenever the retailer pays the commission to the Cash Karo, they divide this commission and they pay half of the commission to you as a way of cashback. So this is how Cash Karo pay us. This is just the small, they are just dividing the commission they have received. They are sharing this commission with us in the form of cashback, and this is how they pay us. So this is how they pay you. I think I have made it simple for understanding. Here now let me show you my earnings from Cash Karo. Like, I have shopped one item from the Cash Karo application and this is my earning. Also, I have ordered one meal from Cash Karo and this is my sum total earning from Cash Karo. I show you now. Alright guys, we have login in our Cash Karo account. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ मिंत्रा की बिग फेस्टिवल सीजन है, Amazon Great Indian Festival season is live, sale is live, then giant fashion sale from Ajio is live, and you can see a live Diwali sales option also. So these are all the brands which are offering some massive and crazy cashback. Here you can find flat 10% cashback, up to 5% rewards, up to 20% cashback, and etc. So now let me show you my earnings from Cash Karo. So firstly, I shopped from one online shopping site, that is Beardo, and I got ₹83 cashback. And then I shopped then I ordered a food from Swiggy, there I got ₹10 cashback. So my sum total cashback is ₹93 and my total rewards is 0 since I have just made 2 purchases online from Cash Karo and these are my cashback guys. ₹93 मुझे cashback मिल चुका है already and I can, जैसे ये एक बार 250 amount proceed कर देगा, I can freely transfer this cashback into my bank account. Now further let's talk about referrals, which is the cherry on the cake and the most exciting and happy part of this video. So yeah, let's talk about referrals now. Well guys, referral is the most exciting and biggest, I think, gift given by Cash Karo, where they give you cashback, also they give you some little extra benefit known as referrals. Well, we all know what is referral, you know, when you particularly refer this Cash Karo app to any of your friends and family, and when they download this application, the good thing happens here. Suppose my friend has downloaded the application that I have sent her. I have referred her the Cashkaro app and she have downloaded it. So now every time she shop from Cashkaro, I am going to get 10% cash back of her. Like suppose she shop for rupees 1000, I am going to get 10% of the 1000. So this is the most exciting part. And this is not it, guys. वो जब जब ऑनलाइन शॉप करेंगे तब तब आप लोगों को 10% कैशबैक मिलने वाला है. सो सपोज यू हैव रेफर दिस टू 10 ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. जस्ट इमेजिन द मैसिव अमाउंट ऑफ cash that is going to get credit into your account. This is massive and this is crazy. Like I personally love Cashkaro so much now. You also they have the categories like food, travel, shopping, e-commerce and what not, guys. Like I am in particularly love with this application. So please do not forget, whenever you download the Cashkaro application, do not forget to refer it to your friends. The Cashkaro app link is in the description box, so click the link and download the app. And लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन है, क्लिक करिए, डाउनलोड करिए, सेव करिए एवरी टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू शॉप ऑनलाइन. एंड येस गाइज, फेस्टिवल सीजन इज अराउंड. Amazon, Flipkart and every major e-commerce site is having great sale. Please do not forget to use Cashkaro. This is not such a lengthy procedure. This is simple, easy and you are going to get this real cashback, the real money of your spending. So this is really exciting. सेल के साथ साथ Cashkaro भी आप यूज़ करिए and save little extra, because why not? Now I hope you enjoyed this video and nothing is been missing from my side. And if you have any doubt related to this video, guys, comment down below. The app link is in the description box. Please do not forget to download, because why not, guys? Who does not want to save? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Also guys, please do not forget to like this video if you find this video really very helpful and you really loved it. And also share it with your friends. Share them about this particular application. They will love it. Help them to save a little extra in their lives too. Do not forget to share, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.